This is Molly. She is a 20-year-old student at Columbia, interning at an NYC startup called Spark. She is an architecture major and doesn't know much about graphic design on computers, but is willing to learn. She is currently working on an advertisement for Spark. This is Sarah, her boss. She is 20 years old, has been an employee of Spark for 3 years now on their marketing and advertising team. She has a degree in marketing and doesn't have much of a background in design. To open up the file, Molly opens the app Work Together and selects Documents and clicks on Spark. Her trackpad then appears, as does her current progress. Molly wants to fix a typo, so she places her phone on the text she wants to edit, and a mouse appears, and the text becomes highlighted. She clicks again so that she can open her text editor. A text editor appears on her phone. Molly moves the cursor to the typo, presses K, and presses the check. Now her text is edited, and her screen is back to the cursor mode. Sarah, her boss, comes over and wants to open the app. She doesn't have much experience with it, so Molly shows her that once she opens the app, she just taps it on the screen where she wants to edit, because Spark isn't saved in her files. She wants to edit the title font, so she places her phone there. A cursor appears, and a trackpad appears on her phone. Now, Sarah selects the text with the left click, and now wants a menu, so does right click. Now a menu appears. Sarah wants to change the color, so she scrolls over to color and selects it. Left click, a color menu appears. She wants to select red, so she moves her cursor over to the red and left click. Satisfied with her change, Sarah scrolls outside of the text, selects outside to deselect the text, and is finished. Sarah decides she wants to edit something at the bottom of the screen, so she asks Molly to send her her position. Molly goes to her trackpad and swipes to the position menu and presses send position. On Sarah's screen, a notification pops up saying your friend sent you a position, and she accepts it with a check mark. Click. Sarah's cursor scrolls over to where Molly's cursor is. Sarah wants to include the logo next to the word Spark at the bottom. She scrolls over to where she wants to include the logo. She swipes down for the insert menu and selects photo album. There, she selects Spark's logo. Click. On the screen, the logo appears. Since the system notices a change, it notifies the users that it's saving and saved automatically to the Spark file that Molly originally opened.